Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain about what is pivot operator and how we can able to apply this pivot operator to our main table. Pivot operator rotates a table valued expression. It turns a unique values in one column into multiple columns in the output. Let me explain with this employee details table. In this table, in branch, we have several branches like Hosur, Belur, Sulur. Like this, several branches are there. We have to convert this each branch into this branch column, like Hosur branch column, Belur branch column, Sulur branch column. Like this, we have to convert the values of this branch column into the individual or multiple columns with the value names. Now I'll share small example with this employee details table. Here we have to find how much salary required for each branch. This is the syntax we have to follow. We have to select branch and we have to apply some function to the salary column from the employee details table, and we have to do group by with the branch column. Once we execute this syntax, here we can able to find amount required to pay salary for each branch. Here we have to apply this pivot operator to this branch column. Here we have to create multiple column with this branch values. Like for Belur we have to create separate column, for Dinur we have to create separate column, Hosur we have to create separate column. In the same way, like Sulur we have to create separate column. Now let's see how to apply this pivot operator to convert these values into the pivot table. Now let us see how to create the pivot table to display each branch and the salary requirement from employee details table. Here syntax is having three stages. First stage is we have to provide the values from the column to convert into multiple columns. Here I am selecting Belur, Dinur, Hosur and Sulur values from the branch column. And second stage is we have to provide the pivot content is from which table and the columns. Here I am selecting salary column and branch column from the employee details table. And third stage is we have to mention the operation to turn into pivot. Here we have to sum all salaries for the branches Belur, Dinur, Hosur and Sulur. Once we provided the syntax for all three stages, let us execute this syntax. Once we execute this syntax, here we can able to find columns are created for each unique values from the columns. This is the way we can able to create pivot table to display each branch and the salary requirement from the employee details table. Thank you guys. Hope this video will be useful for your reference.